Stop struggling and turn these jobs into moneymakers with the help of this amazing tool. With this tool, you can replace CV axles effortlessly, even in vehicles with heavy anti-sway bars. The tool saves time by eliminating the need to remove other components. This job usually requires two people to perform, one to pry down the arm and the other to do the work. By bringing the vehicle to waist height, the patented geometry of this tool allows it to be straddled by the user, thus using the weight of the user's body to gain full control of arm movement. The user's hands are free to manipulate the components, making it truly a one-man operation. On some vehicle models, it is easier to approach from one side of the control arm. By having a quick change tool head, you can quickly engage the same weight on either side of the vehicle. When you need just that little more clearance to get the job done and your pry bar is slipping all over, this tool will let you do it effortlessly. There is no need to remove anti-sway bars or any other components. The tool will not damage components because parts are moving within their normal limits. For control arms too large to fit in the tool head, a chain attachment is provided. To separate ball joints, simply loosen the castle nut. Use the tool to apply separation pressure and strike the mounting boss with a hammer. The ball joint will pop loose without causing grease boot damage. This tool sets up and deploys quickly, eliminating wasted time and frustration. The lower control arm tool, LCAT6803, is the new and improved version of the LT680, which was carried by all the major tool suppliers. Whether you are a one-man shop, a high-volume shop, or a transmission shop, this tool will boost your productivity and will pay for itself right away. If you have no time for hassles, you will love this tool.